I hope you found that helpful, looking through an IEP and also reviewing some goals. That was a very quick summary of something that you can do whole courses on, but hopefully that lays a little bit of groundwork that will help you as you go through your certification program and get to the point of writing your own goals for students on your caseload. So I just wanted to really quickly highlight a couple of things for this coming week, your last week. The discussion post for this week is posting a presentation, Prezi, PowerPoint, where you research a cultural group. Please send me your topic. I know some of you have already done that. Please send me your topic before you get started so that it's approved. The other thing I wanted to point out on that is that you will post that by Wednesday, which is consistent, but then you need to reply to 2 of your classmates by Friday. So you don't have the weekend like you normally do to get those postings to, or those responses to others posting. That's so I have the weekend to get grades finalized. So just wanted to highlight that change in calendar since it's a little bit different in week 8 than every other week. Initial post on Wednesday, responses to 2 colleagues by Friday, by end of day Friday. Same thing for the reflection paper. It's pretty self-explanatory if you look at the rubric. But it is also due on Friday so that I can get that graded for over the weekend and get class grades finalized. Last thing is end of course evaluation. I really do appreciate feedback on what worked for this class or any improvements to make it better as I look to teaching this class in the future. I've really enjoyed working with you. If you have any questions this week as you are working on these assignments, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your summer, and let me know if you need anything in the future. Thanks a lot.